Okay, so to find and replace all the links that are essentially found in the blogs, there's a nice, easy way to do that with this special little plugin. So to find the plugin, first you need to go into the dashboard and look under Tools. So yeah, under Tools you'll see that it has a Search and Replace option, and here at the Search and Replace tab you just click on it, and now you can see that it'll, whatever you search for here, it can replace it with whatever you want here. So in this case I'm going to take an example of say a blog, like the blog here, and with the iMask, which is a hyperlink, as you can see, I'm going to replace this link. So I'm going to go on the edit and copy by doing Control-C, and I'll go back to the Search and Replace tab, and so it's going to search for this link, and I wanted to replace it. Now I've got all my URLs copied on a Word document, and I want the iMask with the new iMask URL, and in this case it's this one. So I've got it here. I just copy that, and then once I paste that, I can then put here. Now I've got to select all the tables, and the dry run is just a way for me to just do one run without actually it doing it, and it'll just give me the results here at the top. Once it's done, it says that it's found three places that it can replace. So once I've done the dry run, it unfortunately deselects all the tables. So I have to reselect that, and then I take the dry run out because it's going to be the actual run, and here it's saved to the changes, and then I just do the search, and then that's done. So just to verify that it's been done, when I go here and refresh this page, now you remember this before was just product Genetic.com product iMask. Now I'll refresh the page, and you'll see that yes, reload. Maybe I didn't do the update here with the others. Oh no, that's right. No, that's right. So yeah, so it's reloading the page, and when I go here to verify, now you can see the new hyperlink has been installed, so that works very, very well. And that's all there is to it. Once you finish with that blog, all the replacements, I've still got all these to do, but that's just to show you how you do one, and it works very well because I've done it with those three products, and with you can see if I open these three products, it actually goes to the Glyco page or the Fibro page or the iMask page that I've done. But this one I haven't done yet, say the Argini, and so when I go to this page, I must have done the Argini. Well, then that's a bad example. But anyway, it works very well, and it's a nice, easy way to just sort of get through all these blogs. I've done Fibro already in Glyco from a previous assessment, so these are already set, and that's it.